I wake up early at 7 a.m.
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
I eat eggs and bread in breakfast. I change my clothes and wear office dress. I pack my office bag. I check my phone before leaving. I drive my car to the office.
I park my car in the office parking area.
I enter the office through the main gate. I mark my attendance with my thumb.
I greet the team in the office.
I open my laptop. I start work on my laptop. I attend office meetings when required. I drink coffee at 11 a.m. I drink 2 liters of water in a day.
I take a lunch break at 1 p.m.
I eat chicken and pasta in lunch. After the break, I continue my work. I complete my tasks before leaving. I leave the office at 7 p.m. At the gym, I do exercise and work out.
I return home and rest.